This is Ravi and I am from Davangere district in Karnataka. Now I am 25 years old. I am working as a telecaller here and have worked in so many different processes. So from 4 years I am working here. When I was doing my basic education, I faced some problem. But once I finished my basic education, I think about my graduation and all. So I didn't face so many problems because of Samarthanam.
IBM wanted to support Samarthanam as an organization because the mission of Samarthanam is very clear. They just want to empower and enable persons with disability and integrate them into the mainstream career. And this very clearly aligns with our own commitment towards diversity. It aligns with our workforce strategy also.
We talk about 3 benefits, right? Triple benefits. So 1 to the employee, 2 to the organization that we are partnering with, and 3 to the corporation itself. This program is a combination of our HR need to create global leaders, and at the same time, how do we kind of solve some of the critical problems that the community is facing.
We started this center in 2011 with 105 seats of capacity, and we started this center to give job opportunities to people with disability and few rural youths.
NGOs need the capacity of project management, organization development, finance management, and so on. So a wide range of areas where corporates can contribute and build the capacity of civil society organizations and their staff through coaching mechanisms. The development sector also has a lot to offer to the corporates. For example, they are able to explain the requirements needed by particularly vulnerable groups like women, people with disabilities, people living with HIV.
My team is a team of 3, and we're really helping Kirana, who's a small center that are working with the disabled and creating jobs for the disabled, looking at what it takes to expand. And I think that's where we come in and we help them think about their strategy and what kind of methodologies they could use to expand and create more jobs for the disabled and bring them into an inclusive society. When I started the Corporate Service Corps, I did not really know what to expect, but I've been blown away by the experience. Learning about what it's like to be in a completely different environment, working with IBMers from all over the world, that in itself has been such a rewarding experience.
IBMers are getting involved in all aspects of our projects, which we can confidently see and have a clarity on all the expansion plans and scaling up the business to the next level.
Samarthanam and VSO work with multiple minority communities. So it can be persons with disability or empowerment of women. And there's a lot of learning that corporates like us can gain. Most of the time we are technology oriented. There's a lot of things that we do to make our technology smarter, better, but at the end of the day there is a consumer base sitting out there and we don't even know what their requirements are. And there is a wealth of knowledge, I would say, that organizations like VSO can bring in articulating some of the challenges so that we can innovate our technologies to be able to cater to their needs.
Recently, just I was dreaming to get a good status in the society, to get a high-profile job. So now in the last month I got selected to work for Vijaya Bank in Karnataka. So my dream came true.